Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I'll be using watercolor pencils to draw a bird, and this is going to be very easy but going to be very colorful. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I'm starting off with the head of the bird. You will see it's kind of hard to imagine when you see the shape this way, but you're going to see how it turns out. And if you want to connect with me through my other social media, all that information is in the description box below for you, and also my Redbubble shop details as well. So check it out and connect with me through Instagram, Facebook, and all kinds of social media if you have them. So today I will be drawing with watercolor pencils, and then I'll be adding water, of course, to make it look like watercolors. But I'm going to add a lot of colors to this bird, and it's going to be a healthy little nice tiny bird, but it's going to look really nice. Maybe you can make a birthday card or even hang on the wall. This way it's going to be really cute. So let's get to it. I'll show you every step of the way. So there you go. I'm just adding in the water now, as you see, and it's blending out nicely. And this is the full color drawing so far. I really hope you like it, and I will add a branch and a background to this one as well. So stay tuned for the next video. And for this one, if you are interested and if you like this and would like to buy products with this on, Redbubble shop link is in the description box below for you to buy products with this bird on. And now I put some next videos for you to check out as well, along with the face logo, which you can click to subscribe to my channel. And I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can always request something for me to draw or to do by commenting below. And you can comment below and let me know what you want to see next. And if you want me to improve something, let me know. So then have a great day. See you next time. Bye.